Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and for today I am going to be showing you how to send an email through Aweber, and that's sending out a broadcast to your list of subscribers that you collected from your opt-in pages. So I have my email here typed up on a Google Docs, and I also have my title up here. That way you know the name of your document here on Google Docs, and you keep track of your emails. So for today I have here my email. I'm going to go ahead and show you the email for Sunday. And I have a few words here that I want to go ahead and bold out. So I'm going to start with that, and that's the word you, action, and control, and life. So those are the words that I want to go ahead and add a bold to. And now I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything, and you can go ahead and right click copy or control C. And I'm going to go ahead and change the font size to 16 and to Times New Roman. And I got that tip as well from another fellow YouTuber. So I have it at Times New Roman and 16. All right. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and now copy all of this, and I'm going to go into my Aweber account. I'm here on Aweber. This is my account, and I'm going to go ahead and click on messages. So create a message. We're going to go to the drag and drop email builder. And here it is. It's really simple. It's great to use. So I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and erase this. Take all this out. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my email. I'm going to go ahead and copy. So you can right click as well, copy. You're going to go into your Aweber, control V, or of course right click V. So all right, here's the email. It looks really nice. And don't forget to add your title to your email up here. So how to remove the chains of negativity. That's my title, and here is my email. So right here is my call to action. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and you're going to go ahead and click on Hyperlink right here. It's right here, my mouse. That's going to bring you up to create the hyperlink. So I'm going to go into my Lead Capture Marketing Pro. This is the marketing system that I am promoting and I am also using. So I go down here and I grab my link. That's my affiliate link. So every time I resell this particular system, I make a commission of $300. And you can do the same as well. But also the great thing about this system is that you can have multiple streams of income in here. So you can be promoting different business opportunities or your current opportunity that you're currently in right now. So the sky's the limit with this system. So here we go. I went ahead and inserted my affiliate link. I like to take out the HTTPS because it's already here, the protocol. So it gives you a check mark. It's ready to go. The link it's active. And I like to go ahead and make it blue, the link, so it can stand out. So here's my email. I just copied and pasted. I added the email in here. And if you feel that you need to get a little more creative, you can. I did forget to make that one bold. So I added that one now, bold, to time. And the next step that we're going to go ahead and do is insert a picture. So I go to image. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop right here. This is where your image is going to go. And now I'm going to image gallery. I have some images saved already. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And all you have to do is click thumbnail if you want it right here, wherever you want it. I like to align mine to the left. So I was showing an example there. So right here, you just click image alignment. It goes to your left side. And the great thing about Aweber is you can also make your picture into a link. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my affiliate link again. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to Aweber, and it's going to go right here on image link. Go ahead and paste. And your link is ready. It has a check mark here. That means that's ready to go. Go ahead and save. So double check you got your title, you have your email, you did your link, you created your hyperlink, and you added your picture. And I also made that into a link. So go ahead and save, and you're going to preview and test. That's really cool about Aweber. You get to preview and test your email. So here's my email, and I have my email here. And I'm going to go ahead and do the mobile preview. Go ahead and go through it. Okay. And let's send that email. So let me go ahead and log into my Gmail. And here is the email. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. All right. And here's the email. So look, it looks really nice. Go ahead and test out your link. There's your link right there. Go ahead and go back to your email. Go ahead and click on the picture. And there's your link to your affiliate link. So this is Lead Capture Marketing Pro. And the links work. So that's really fun. So now you can go ahead and look at your email on your phone as well. That's what I'll be doing here. And just to double check it, make sure everything's lined up correctly and it looks great. So now you can go ahead and click on save and exit. So there you go. You have an email ready. You're able to send out the email through Aweber. And this is where the fun part comes in. This is the broadcast. This is sent to all your email subscribers on your list. And this is how you put your life on automation. So you go ahead and click on schedule, and you can add tags if you want. But this is a basic example for sending out an email. And let me go ahead and let's go ahead and double check something. I forgot to add something to the email. So if you want to go ahead and go back into it, you just click on it, because I always want to remind my subscribers why they are on my list. And they're on my list because they opted in to know information about how to work from home. So I'm going to go ahead and I have this saved here in my Google Docs. I just go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to go back into my Aweber. I start at my phone number and I do a few spaces down, maybe about 4 or 5. I copied that, so now I pasted that back in. Save, preview, and test. I like to test it out again just to make sure. So it says here your test message is on its way. I go into my email and click save, and here it is. So everything looks great here. I'm going to go ahead and save and exit. And I'm going to go ahead and send that broadcast out. Schedule, and we should send that message here. It is 7:15 in the morning right now on Sunday. So I am going to go ahead and send this message out now as a live example here. So send out the message and send now. So here we go. We're sending it out. And there's Aweber. It's doing the work for you, sending out your messages. And that is the example of sending out a broadcast. So that was really fun. It got sent out to your list of subscribers. And I go back into my Lead Capture Marketing Pro, because you're able to put your business on automation with this system. It has a sales funnel in place for you, and that's one thing that you need online. You need to have a sales funnel in order to get success and see results online. So I hope you enjoyed this example of sending out a broadcast. Once your broadcast is sent, you'll also receive your email to your particular email as well. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and take care.